Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Take a look at the diagram. It's a one quadrant of the circle. So let that quadrant as OAB. So in that some area is shaded and the radius is OA, which is 3.5 centimeter, and OD is 2 centimeter, and we need to find the area of the shaded region. So here we need to find the area of one quadrant of the circle first, and then we need to find the area of the triangle, and then we need to subtract it to find the shaded region. So the area of the circle formula is pi r square. The area of the quadrant of the circle means 1/4 of the circle. So 1/4 of the circle formula, which is 1/4 into pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle, which is 3.5 centimeter. So here the radius r is 3.5 centimeter. So if you substitute r is equals to 3.5, we'll get 1/4 into pi value we need to consider as 22/7 into 3.5 whole square. So 1/4 into 22/7 into 3.5 whole square becomes 12.25. So if you simplify this, we'll get 9.625 centimeter square. So the area of one quadrant of the circle is 9.625 centimeter square. Now find the area of the right angle triangle. OAD is the right angle triangle, or AOD is the right angle triangle, where the base is 3.5 centimeter and the height is 2 centimeter. Now find the area of this triangle, which is base into height, which is off into base into height. So 1/2 into base is 3.5 into 2 centimeters. So now 2/2 cancels out. So the area of the triangle is 3.5 centimeters square. Now find the area of the shaded region. The area of the shaded region is equals to the area of the quadrant minus the area of the triangle. The area of one quadrant of the circle minus the area of the triangle. So which is area of the quadrant of the triangle is 9.625 centimeter square minus area of the triangle is 3.5 centimeter square. So if you subtract it, we'll get 6.125 centimeter square. So we can conclude that the area of the shaded region is 6.125 centimeter square. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.